it strong.
Dang, mama, they ain't came and fixed that air conditioner yet. It's hot as hell in here. Whoo, baby, no, they haven't came and fixed nothing. Ooh, Lord, have mercy. I thought your daddy breath was hot, but my God, this feel like the burning gates of hell. I know his breath wasn't this hot. Ooh, baby, it wasn't this hot, but it was doggone near. That's why my edge is gone now. Whispering my ear at nighttime, you gonna give me some, baby? Not with that hot throat. Dragons ain't got nothing on him, baby. Nothing. Bubba, you is crazy. You crazy.
1 hour later.
Let me call these people. Lord, have mercy. They better answer this phone. They better.
Hello?
Hey, is this the maintenance man?
Yes, it is.
Are y'all coming out here today to fix my air conditioner?
Yes, ma'am, we are.
Oh, okay, because me and my son in here getting ready to roast like rotisserie chicken.
Yes, ma'am, we are on our way right now.
Oh, okay. Well, make sure you don't bring that little leprechaun like y'all did last time, because y'all was actually working while he seemed like he was out there searching for a pot of gold.
Well, he's not going to be coming today.
Well, all right then. I'll see y'all when y'all get here.
Okay.
Bye.